Hey guys, it's Sam from ShapeShift. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 ways you or your agency is wasting ad dollars when you're running Facebook ads. Number 3, driving cheap, low-quality traffic to your website. If you're not targeting in-market shoppers, Facebook is very good at finding people who will click into your ad. That could just mean they're slightly interested. That could just mean they are dreamers. That could just mean they're curious. That could just mean they like to click on photos of cars. Do not be fooled by Facebook's 10, 20, 30 cents per click. Do not be fooled by the 8, 9, 10% click-through rates. How do you know traffic's good? If you're tracking it through Google Analytics. If your agency cannot tell you what's the average time someone spends on your website after visiting your website from a Facebook ad, fire them. If your agency cannot tell you the bounce rate, which is the amount of people who go to your site and then bounce out right away and click out, fire them. If all they're telling you is click-through rates and impressions and cost per clicks, and they're not actually telling you how good the quality traffic is, if they're not targeting in-market shoppers, let them go. Number 2, not splitting up your inventory by body style. It sounds simple enough, but you'd be surprised. So many dealerships out there and agencies out there are just spitting up an entire carousel of their inventory and just serving it to everyone in the region. This is not the newspapers anymore. You do not have to do a spray and pray method. In 2019 on Facebook, you can get very targeted with your marketing. You can target people who are in the market for trucks with just your trucks. You can target people who are in the market for SUVs with just your SUVs. If you knew I was in the market for a sports coupe, why the fuck would you show me a Prius? Why would you show me a minivan? Why would you show me a sedan? Just show me all your sports coupes. It sounds simple, but not a lot of agencies and not a lot of dealerships are doing this. Number 1, not integrating your inventory feed directly into Facebook. You'd be surprised, but a lot of agencies out there, they're running a manual process. They're not integrated with your feed provider. Why? Probably because most agencies are people companies. They're not technology companies, and they don't have the integration to pull your feed, convert it into a Facebook format, and send it into Facebook. Your customers need to see a live, daily inventory feed. Why? Because then they can decide what vehicles they want to click on, what vehicles they want to submit a lead on. If you're leaving it up to a manual process where the agency is just uploading a photo of their best guess on what's hot in the market, or they're uploading stock photos, that's not a very good process for the consumer. They need to see your live inventory, then they can decide what vehicles they want to engage with. Guys, the golden era of Facebook isn't gonna last forever. Once everyone else has it figured out, once everyone else jumps on the platform, it's gonna get massively more expensive to advertise on Facebook. The dealerships that have Facebook figured out today are gonna make a lot of money while everyone else is standing on the sidelines, scratching their heads, wondering if Facebook works or not. If you're ready to get Facebook done right today, contact us at ShapeShift Group. Until next time, see ya.